welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to create a glowing outline of a person or really anything in Canva, less than a minute, okay? So this is gonna be useful for YouTube thumbnails, online course images, really anything that you want to highlight in an image that you're creating. If you're new to this channel, hit subscribe. We drop a new design tutorial every week. Let's go. All right, we are here in Canva. I'm just gonna grab a stock image of this really excited guy celebrating something. We'll go ahead and center him real quick. And what you're gonna do is drop out the background. So once the image is selected, go up to Effects, Background Remover. I believe this is a function of the paid Canva subscription. They do offer a free trial. I think paid Canva is really worth it. It depends how often you're using the pro tools, but definitely try the free trial and just kind of see if you like it. So go ahead, drop out the background. And what you're gonna do is simply copy. So Control C and paste, Control V. Okay, now let's turn this background a darker color just so that we can see some contrast. So you see here you've copied and pasted, so you have two images right on top of each other, and you're just going to want to make sure that they're square. It'll lock in. So lock the images right on top of each other. Go up to Adjust, bring the brightness all the way up, bring the contrast all the way up, and take the saturation all the way down. And then you can start to play with the blur. So more blur here will essentially give you a bigger glow, but it will also sort of not be as saturated. So let me show you. Once we figure out kind of the blur line that we are shooting for, I like to stay somewhere between 40 and 45. You're going to go up to Position, make sure that that top layer is still selected. Go up to Position, backward, and there you go. Easy peasy. You can always go up to Adjust and continue to play with that blur just to kind of find the effect that you're looking for. And you can see if you drop all the way down to 0 or even negative in the negatives, you see what it looks like without any outline at all. So again, just kind of play with it. And then if you're doing this for a thumbnail of any sort, you can drop text around it. But this is a really quick, easy, and fun way to create that glowing outline for whatever you need to use it for. If you have questions or if you want to share what you've been working on, drop them in the comments below. Be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss an episode, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye.